Student, today we are going to learn what is steam condenser and function of steam condenser in steam power plant. This is the block diagram of a steam power plant. This is the boiler. This is steam engine or steam turbine. This is the condenser. This is the hot well, and this is feed pump. Left side, this is PV diagram of working of a steam power plant. Horizontal line represent volume and vertical represent pressure. This is the boiler pressure. This is the condenser pressure. 1, 2 at 1 and 2. From 1 to 2 at boiler, water convert to superheated steam, and 2, 3, 4 dash steam expand at steam engine or steam turbine, where superheated steam from boiler convert to wet steam and do work. At 3 point, steam exists from steam turbine or steam engine and empty to the condenser. At 3, pressure drop 3 to 4 dash, 4 dash to 5 dash. At condenser, wet steam reject latent heat and convert to water. Steam from steam engine or steam turbine, wet steam at condenser just reject the latent heat, and latent heat is taken this heat, the cooling water from outside, cooling water is circulated in the condenser. Next, water from condenser collected at hot well. This is condensate. Condensate means condensed steam is called condensate. Next, 5 dash to 1, here the feed pump pumps the condensate water from hot well to boiler pressure. Okay, so a condenser is a vessel. A condenser is a vessel in which the exhaust steam of steam engine, cylinder or steam turbine is condensed. Here steam is condensed and heat released by steam. Steam থেকে heat release করবে and is absorbed by water, absorbed by circulating water. In left side, there 1, 2, 3, 4 dash, 5 dash and 1 is the work area for condensing plant of a steam power plant, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, this is the non-condensing steam power plant যেখানে condenser থাকে না. When we use condenser, steam is expanded below the atmospheric pressure, Okay. Now, function of a condenser. Number 1, by using a condenser in a steam plant means steam engine or steam turbine, the steam may be allowed to expand to a pressure less than atmospheric pressure and do more work. Here, steam expand 2 to 3 in polytropic process. Their steam pressure suddenly drop when steam exists from steam engine or steam turbine. Pressure drop 3 to 4 dash. Steam here expand below the atmospheric pressure and do the more work. Second function, a condenser serves as a constant source of pure hot feed water for the boiler. In condenser, constantly pure hot water boiler এ supply করবে. There is no necessary for feed water treatment. Feed water treatment means purification of water or softening the water. Okay.